to our videos channel. Today I am here. I am going to teach you one new topic in our grammar subject. Right? Last we have learned about interjections. Do you remember this topic, students? Right, students? So today we are going to learn about quotient words. You can see I have written this is the new chapter, chapter 16, quotient words. Now do you remember this thing that आपको ऐसा वर्ड सुना हुआ लग रहा है? If you remember this thing, we have learned this topic in our tenses part. You know, in simple present, present continuous tense, and in simple past tense. We have learned this topic quotient words. Now you will think, मैम ने आपको tenses में quotients कब सिखाया? Yes, we have learned when we were making the quotients for the tenses in simple present, in present continuous, and in simple past. Right, students? We were using the quotients. How to make quotients for when answers were given to us. At that time, we have used these words. So now, what is quotient word? Quotient word is a word which we are using to create a quotient for someone. Right? If I want to ask you something, it means I am going to ask you something that will be a quotient for you. Right? So there are some words. They are making the quotient for someone. If I want to ask some quotient to the person. Okay. So now I am going to show you one definition for quotient words. Now see here I have written definition for quotient words. By reading this, it will be more clear to you. We ask questions. We ask question to find out something. To find out something means to find out something. It is not about the something means that it's related to the things only. Something, sometimes we are asking questions for some places also, for some things. It means I want to know something about from your side, so I will create a quotient for you. Right, students? A quotient usually begins means start. वो quotient start किससे होता है always? With a WH quotient. That quotient is going to start with a WH quotient. WH quotient means that quotient will be start with a WH word. As I told to you in the part of tenses. See, these are the words which are the starting with WH spelling. It means that the words which are creating a quotient for us. We are having various words that starts with the WH. But we want that particular word that which creates a quotient for us. Right, students? See, WHALE, WHILEY, these are the also words which are starting with WH, but they are not creating a quotient for us. So we want that particular words which starts with WH as well as they makes a quotient for us. Okay? And we put a question mark. We put a question mark at the end of the quotient. Means after writing the quotient which I have used as a WH word. After writing that quotient, I need to make a quotient mark. Means I need to put a quotient mark at the end of the sentence. So it is compulsory because according to the punctuations, it is more clear to us that what sentence particular says. Okay? So I am asking to you, I am saying this thing to you that in the grammar, punctuation is a very important. So we have to follow the punctuation marks properly. Okay, so these are the quotient words. As I told to you, these are the words which are starting with WH spelling, and it creates a quotient. At the end, we have to put a quotient mark as well. You all know this is the sign of quotient mark. Okay, now see how we are using these WH quotient words, right? So see what I have written. We use the following words. Means I have written some words. We are using these words for WH quotients, right? As I just now I said to you that see we are using that particular words which are creating quotient for us. Other words are also there. White, right? So these are also starting with WH, but they are not creating a quotient for us. So we are not going to use these words. There are some particular selected words which we are using for the quotients. See what I have written first. What for things. It means we are using this what particular word. We are using this what particular word. What means kya. Right? What means kya. So if I want to create a question with word what, so what I will say, I will ask like a question like this: what is your name? Right? That started with what. It means I have created a question for you. आपका नाम क्या है? Right, students? Next, see, who for people. We are using this word who. Who for people. It means when I want to talk about any person, right? If I want to ask particularly for that person, what I will say? Who. Suppose the question is who is dancing. Who is dancing. It means मैं कोई person के लिए पूछ रही हूँ कि कौन डांस कर रहा है, right? So I have used who for the people. Next, where. We are using where for places. We are using the word where. We are using the word where for places. It means somewhere you are going, right? So what I will ask to you, where are you going? Where are you going means आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? But obviously you will go somewhere, so that is the particular place only. So how I will create a question with WH word. Which WH word? Where. Where are you going? So it means आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Next, WHEN, when. We are using this word when. Just now we have used these words, you know, where and when, as we were learning in adverbs chapter and in prepositions chapter, right? So preposition of place, preposition of time, and adverbs of place and adverb of time. So in both chapters we have used this word only which, right? And where. Sorry, we have used the word where for place, and in preposition of time as well adverb of time we have used the word when. It means मैं आपको बोलती हूँ sentence को read करने से आपको question करना है when से, so you will get the idea. They have done their activity, but when से क्या पता चलता है हमें particular time के बारे में पता चलता है, means कब. So when for times of events. If you want to go anywhere, so you will ask the parents, मम्मी हमें कब जाना है? At when we are going over there, means it is about times, it is about days, it is about months also, right? Now next, which. The word is which is using if there is a choice between different things. When you are having the choice between different things, right? So if suppose you are going for shopping, so you are having the option between colors, right? Suppose the shirt is there and 2-3 colors options are there. So but obviously आपको आपकी मम्मी क्या पूछेगी, which color do you like most? Which color do you like most? So means आपको कलर कौन सा पसंद है? According to that only you are going to purchase that shirt. So these are the particular words which we are using for making a questions. Okay. I have prepared one exercise on the board. It is related to WH question words. We will do this exercise and it will be more clear to you how to use these question words. Okay. So now first I have written WHO who. This is the matching part exercise, right? So WHO who. I need to match this word from these options, right? So let's do read. Who is the canteen? But obviously उसके सामने तो आंसर नहीं है. From these four we need to select the answer. Who train are you taking? Who train? No. Who train means मैं person के बारे में बात करते हैं. Here that we are talking about train. So this option I am not going to select. Next, are you going out to play? So here are you going out to play? So here this also is also not okay because here I am asking who. So यहाँ पे तो मैं particularly कोई किसी से question कर रही हूँ. Who are you? This is also not okay. Next, you can see that is the class monitor. Yes, this word is matching with this. Who is the class monitor? It means I am asking for some person. That class monitor कौन है? So I am going to match this sentence with this one. Who is the class monitor? Next, what? So as I told to you, we are using the word what for particular things. What we are using for particular things. So select, see, from these options we have to use. What is the canteen? Canteen क्या है? No, this is not. It's not matching with this. What train are you taking? What train are you taking? आप क्या train ले रहे हैं? No, that is also not matching with this. What are you going to play? What are you going to play? It is matching. Means हम क्या खेलने वाले हैं, right? So this so this WH word is matching with this sentence. What are you going to play? It means I am asking about something. आप क्या खेलने वाले हैं? Next, which, WICH, which. As I told you that which means we are having the options between, means choice between different things. So which will be suit with, which is the canteen? Canteen कौन सी है? No. Which train are you taking? Which train are you taking? And next option is that did you eat for lunch? So this is also not suiting with this. We have to select from this only. Which is the canteen is also not matching. So which train are you taking means आप कौन सी train लेने वाले हैं? See here, we are having various options for taking the train, right? According to the our convenient time, we are using the trains, right? So I am going to use this which word with train because we are having the options, we are having the choice between train according to the places, according to the timings also, right students? Now next, WHE and when. So when से हमें क्या करना है? क्वेश्चन इसको किससे मैच करना है? We are having now two only options. Is the canteen? When is the canteen? When is the canteen is canteen कब है? No, because when we are using for the particular time of event. We are using word when for the particular time of event. By reading the sentence, we can come to know that this time, at that time, that thing is happened. So when is the canteen? No, because this is the particular place. Canteen तो place होती है, right? Now next is did you eat for lunch? Yes, it is matching with this because how? Because if I am asking someone कब आपने lunch किया? कब आपने lunch किया? So what I will say? When did you eat for lunch? Means आपने कब lunch किया? Okay. Now next is where. Where is the canteen? It means you know that we are using the word where for the particular place. So canteen कोई place की बात है, right? So we are going to use this WHERE where for the canteen because where we are using for the place. So where is the canteen, right students? Students, just now I have taught to you there are WH question words, but here is one more word is there that we are using for creating a question. Yes, there is one more word. Which word it is? HOW. How? We are using this word. No doubt this word is not starting with W spelling, right? But then also this quotient, this word it comes into a quotient, means कैसे. We are using this word in Hindi like कैसे, right? So if I want to ask कैसे हो आप, so what I am using? How are you, right? We are using this word also for creating a quotient. So this word we are using for the quality of something, right? So this word we are using for quality of something. We can make two quotients with this word, that is how much and next is how many. We are using these two words with word how quotient. Okay, so how much and how many, right students? So we are using this how much word when we are having the quantity but not in countable. When we don't count, it is not possible for us to count that much quantity at that time. We are going to use this how much, okay? And when we are having the quantity, we can count that particular number. At that time we are using this how many, right? So for an example, I am going to make a question with how much. How much milk is there? How much milk is there? We are not going to count like milk like this. No. 1, 2, 3. We are not going to count like this. For the almost for liquid things which we are using like orange juice, mango juice, milk, water. So for that particular word we are using the word how much, right? And next is how many we can also make. So this how many we are using the word for particular thing which we can count, when it is possible for us to make a count. Suppose for an example, I am asking this question to you. In your class, how many girls are there? How many girls are there in your class? It means I am able to count. If 20 girls are there. So what I will say? There are 20 girls in your class. So it means what I did? I asked the question to you, how many girls? It means that is countable to me. Right, students? So which quantity we can't count? For that we are using the how much, and for countable things we are using the word how many. Right? And it is not compulsory that we are going to use always how much and how many. We are using another questions also, like how are you, right? How is it possible? So when we are using the word how, that is also comes in a question word family. So there is a one question word family which includes these words for creating a question, right, students? So I hope what I have taught you in this video, it is clear to you that we have done about question words. In question words we have learned first about WH words, which are starting with WH spelling, and it creates a question for us. And next one more word we have learned, that is how. That is how. We can use that how much also and how many. We are using this word almost quality of something. And if we want to talk about quantity, we are using also this word as how much and how many. So just go through once this video. If you face any query or doubt regarding this video, you can ask me in your next live sessions. Thank you. Have a nice day.